Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If player names are not visible above avatars in your Roblox game, the player names option may be turned off in the game settings. In this video, I will show you how to fix player names not showing in Roblox. First, open Roblox and join any game. Once you are inside the game, click on the Roblox icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the in-game menu. Now click on Settings. Scroll down all the way to the bottom of the settings page. Here you will see the player names option. If this option is set to hide, player names will not appear in the game. Select Show to make player names visible again. Now close the menu and return to the game. Player names should now appear above avatars. That is how you fix the player names not showing problem in Roblox. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more Roblox troubleshooting tutorials.